We can find probabilities using the binomial distribution, and we can do this using the distribution application. We can access this by pressing the 3 key. The type of distribution we want is a binomial distribution. Now, once we enter in, you see this screen here. We can select the type of tail we have, and there are 4 options as shown here. Where we have data, we can have variable statistics or use statistics from a list. We have X, num trial, and the probability. Where we have colour, this allows us to graph binomial distributions and select the colour of the graph. We are given in this example that X is binomially distributed with parameters 10 and 0.4. Let us enter those into our calculator. For the num trial, we have 10. For the probability, we have 0.4. In the first example, we have to calculate the probability that X equals 2. Let's change the tail to be something of the form X equals. We have the probability that X equals 2, so X here is 2. You will find the probability that X equals 2 is equal to 0.120, etc. For the next example, we have to calculate the probability that X is less than or equal to 5. Let's change the tail type. We will use the first option. We have X is less than or equal to 5, so here X is 5. You will find the probability that X is less than or equal to 5 is equal to 0.833, etc. For the third example, we have to calculate the probability that X is greater than or equal to 3. Let's change the tail to the third option. We have X is greater than or equal to 3, so in this case, X is 3. Executing, you will find the probability that X is greater than or equal to 3 is equal to 0.832, etc. For the fourth example, we have to calculate the probability that X is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 7. Let's change the tail to the second option. The lower is 1, the upper is 7. The probability that X is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 7 is equal to 0.981, etc.